This is the OPPO A16S, and today we would like to demonstrate you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first of all, I'll warn you that we will use the third-party app for it. So connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then open the Play Store. At the search bar, type in the Turbo VPN query. That's the name of the app that we will use. Here it is. Now let's just go ahead and install it real quick. Alrighty, now we can just go ahead and open it. In here, agree on the terms and proceed. Wait until the app gets loaded. We will also have to close the ad. Here it is, so we'll close it. In order to start the VPN connection, just tap on the caret picture over here, or caret icon. Grant it all the needed permissions. Grant the app all the needed permissions, of course. As you can see by the icon that should have appeared at the status bar, here it is. The VPN connection was successfully established. From here you can change the server if you want to. So right now I'll switch it from the UK to Germany. It will take just a little bit of time for the app to reconnect. So let's wait. Alrighty. Great success, I guess. Once you're ready to turn off the VPN or disconnect, just tap on this little cross sign over here and at the disconnect option onwards. And as you can see, the VPN connection was successfully terminated. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.